The Meiji Restoration, reformed to resist domination. Continuing our series on invasion, occupation, cultural domination, and cultural evolution, we turn to Japan in the late 19th century. Unlike many regions we have studied, Japan was not fully conquered by a foreign empire. Instead, it faced the threat of domination and chose a different path. In 1868, the Meiji Restoration marked the beginning of rapid political, economic, and social change under the leadership of the Meiji government, caused pressure from Western powers. By the mid-1800s, Western nations were expanding across Asia. In 1853, U.S. Commodore Matthew Perry arrived in Japan, demanding that Japan open its ports to trade. Japan faced a choice: resist and risk invasion, or adapt and modernize. Japanese leaders chose reform. Effect 1. Political transformation. The Meiji Restoration ended the power of the samurai-led shogunate and restored authority to the emperor. The government centralized power and began building a modern state. Feudal domains were abolished, a national government was established, and a constitution and modern bureaucracy were introduced. Effect 2. Industrial and military modernization. Japan rapidly adopted Western technology and industrial methods. Factories and railroads were built, a modern army and navy were created, and education systems were expanded. Japan studied Western models, but adapted them to its own needs. Modernization became a tool of survival. Effect 3. Cultural transformation. Western influence reshaped Japanese society. New forms of dress, education, and technology spread. Western ideas mixed with Japanese traditions. However, Japan did not abandon its identity. It blended old and new. This allowed Japan to modernize without losing cultural continuity. Cultural evolution. Within a few decades, Japan transformed into a major industrial and military power. Unlike many regions that were colonized, Japan became strong enough to compete with Western nations. It even began to expand outward, building its own empire in Asia. Japan moved from threatened to powerful. AP World History Takeaway. The Meiji Restoration shows a different historical pattern. External pressure leads to internal reform, leading to rapid modernization and the emergence as a global power. For AP World students, this case is critical because it contrasts with regions that were colonized. Japan demonstrates that not all societies responded to imperialism in the same way. Some resisted through adaptation rather than war.